Alright, lesson number 4. Very common question in exam. Can you reduce to a single trig ratio using compound angles? Right, so this is what you'll be doing. Right, so write the following as a single trig ratio and simplify if possible. So they give me sine 100 cos 35 plus cos 100 sine 35. Look at the sine compound angle. Sine A plus B equal A sine A cos B cos A sine B. So you should see sine 100 cos 100. Sine A cos A. Cos 35 sine 35 cos B sine B. So I can take this and write it in this format. So that would give me sine 100 plus 35, because there's a plus sign. Sine always stays as it appears. Ne? Your sin stays your sin. 100 plus 35 then gives me sine 135. So using reduction, sine 135, I assume you know is in the second quadrant from 90 to 180. So therefore we would say 180 degrees minus 45. According to the cast rule, in the second quadrant, sine is positive. So that would give me sine 45, which without a calculator would give me 1 over square root 2. And those of you using a calculator, square root 2 over 2. So you might just confirm which one your teachers accept. But yeah, I prefer without a calculator, 1 over square root 2. Some of you that's struggling to memorize might write that. Either get the mark or lose the mark. Alright, problem number 2. Gave me cos, sine, sine. And the angles are the same. 45, 15 and 45, 15. So we should know minus, so cos A plus B equal cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. You can see the angles correspond. So therefore, if I write this, I can write it as cos 45 minus becomes plus 15 degrees, right? 45 plus 15 gives me 60. And the cos of 60 equal half 1 over 2. Right, so hope you follow. So you can see there, A and A, 45 and 45. No? B and B, 15 and 15. Cos. Therefore, I'm using the cos compound angle. Right, I hope you're liking the lesson so far. Like, share, and subscribe. Let's look at problem number 3. Right, now here in problem 3, they gave me cos plus sine. My angles correspond. It's 170, 170 and 50, 50. So as soon as it's cos, we will always use the cos compound angle. So you should know cos A minus B is cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. So we're going from this side to that side, right? So A there is 170. My B is 50. 170 minus 50 gives me cos 120. Then using reduction, we assume 120 is from 90 to 180. Right, so according to cast rule, if we say cos 180 minus 60, it will fall in the second quadrant. And in the second quadrant, cos is negative. So that becomes negative cos 60. Take note, a lot of learners make an error, but 180 minus 60 gives me 120. We do not write 180 minus 120. No? It's 180 minus 60 to get 120. So negative cos 60 then simply equal negative half. Right? Now normally you need 3 problems to ensure you understand something properly, but I've done a 4th one. Alright, so yeah, we have sine 330, cos 30, cos 330, sine 30. So as soon as I have sine cos sine, I'm working with the sine compound angle. So sine A minus B equals sine A cos B minus cos A sin B. Again, you can see the angles are corresponding. Alright, and the minus stays minus. So in the place of A, I write 330. In the place of B, 30 degrees. So sine 330 minus 30 gives me sine 300. Now 300 falls in the 4th quadrant between 270 and 360. So using reduction in the 4th quadrant, sine 360 minus 60. According to cast rule, in the 4th quadrant only cos is positive, so sine becomes negative. So that gives me negative sine 60, which then equal negative square root 3 over 2. Right, I hope you enjoyed the lesson. I hope you understand and you're following. Please like, share and subscribe. I wish you nothing of the best as you continue working hard, becoming the successful person that you're bound to be.